Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPCE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty big bearish day on this one, and a lot of updates definitely need to be done. First update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that area up there, which I talked about in previous videos, around 2235, was the area of support, but you can see right there when the price broke down below it, that really opened up a whole nother round of downwards momentum. So back down, it's gone. So 2235 now going to be considered an area of resistance. But really, before you even focus at all on this one, the more near-term level of resistance, for the same reason, is that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very famous, the very well-known 200 period moving average. And again, was a former area of support, but now that it's been broken, you would expect it to act as resistance. And that's exactly what happened here. Price broke down below it, tried to bounce back up, but couldn't quite break above it, and then back down it went. So like I said, before you even worry about that level up there, the first battleground, the first hurdle that the price is going to need to clear is, up here on, let's just call it 2150, currently, at 2157. But, for simplicity's sake, 2150 is going to be that initial area of resistance on any sort of attempted bounce. And then again, the next key level up there at that secondary red line. What about levels of support now moving forward? Well, for this, going to squeeze down the chart a little bit. Next key overarching level to keep a very close eye on is going to be down here at that level at $20.40. And then if 2040 cannot quite hold up, which so far so good it has, but if 2040 doesn't hold, the next key level to watch right down there at that round number of $20. But as of right now, very clearly a lot of downwards pressure on it. The price has bounced from this area before. I mean, right here you can see that got around that area, a nice bounce. And then, it's around that same area right now. So will it bounce again? Can history repeat itself? That all remains to be seen. But as of right now, yeah, things are looking a little bit shaky. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.